Good morning, traders. Bo at Trade the Plan here. I'm going over this trade here that we called out in the trade room in our subscription analysis live. So if you own our toolbar, the Trade the Plan toolbar at TTP, and you are subscribed to Analysis Live, then these are the kinds of things that you get onto your chart live and in real time. So this was the area that was given to our subscribers here. The count was also a part of our review video. So we do review videos for every market. Um, and right now I am still holding this short. So what it looked like to us here and the way we did our analysis is that we had wave down, and then here was the big correction that was actually a looking like a triple three. And so we're able to get in here at this geometry area. We had all our proprietary volume signals let us know that it was a good possibility we'd get a flip here. So we went ahead and entered this trade. I'm in with 4. Looking to take off my first half of the position here at 39.47. If I wanted to be a little bit more conservative, I could take half of the position off here at the median line, the lower parallel. But I'm gunning for the fact that this is going to be continuation to the downside from the overall trend here. So I'm looking for one more move down in this. I'd like to break lower lows here. So that's what I'm holding out for. That's what I'll be holding out for the rest of the position, and I'll see where those targets are going to be. I will check in with you guys as the trade progresses. Okay there, everybody. Just checking in with this trade. So I took half off here at this median line. We got held up on the first, I'm sorry, at this lower parallel. We got held up on the first median line set, and then we hit the second one, and we had a bunch of volume signals here, extreme churn with volume divergence. So I took half off there, and we're getting a pretty strong reaction out of that hole. So it was a good choice. What did I get out of that one? So the first two I got out 75 ticks there, which was excellent. The rest of the position, let me also look at this. We see how much divergence we have here. That's also got some long pressure on that here. So the rest of the position, I think I might hold over the weekend here. Right now I'm at break even for the other two, and I'm going to be looking for a move to the downside here and break these prior lows and see what we can get out of it. Okay, everybody, take care. Hello traders, Bo from Trade the Plan here. Just checking in with the CL short that we initiated on Friday. It is now Sunday morning in Europe. So what we're looking at here is it was a very good exit that I had. So this exit that we did where I took off half of the position was because we were on this geometry here and our proprietary volume signals were all firing that that there's a big possibility that we have some serious buyers stepping in place. It was also our divergence indicator, which is the best divergence indicator in the industry, bar none by far. That was also firing off for us. So we had 2-bar patterns here. We had extreme churn. We had divergence on the tick. It was a whole bunch of things telling us that, okay, this could be a pretty serious low, and it was right into this geometry. So that's where I took half off. The rest of the session, we climbed up what looks to be an ABC. So we could count it a couple of ways. I did want to check in with you guys and make sure you guys know that the way that this count I had had out, just for the sake of clarity, this isn't exactly so these need to be taken off here. The only reason why I had these on, so in our overview video, people could see clearly what I was thinking, but actually this is how things need to be looking without those big WXYs. So basically looking at this as probably more as an A, maybe an A, B. It could be a 1-2 because we're looking at this whole drive down as a possible C wave that we might be continuing down on larger time frames. So this could be a pretty serious pause before drop. But what I'm looking at here is I want to take one more contract off here at this measured move coming. So it looks like we had this little ABC correction up here from Friday, and then I think this is going to be our next area of support here at about 39.50, not only because of the measured move, but also on the minute charts we have a trend line that's coming in next to the measured move. So I have I've split my last two. So I got one for target here at 39.50, and then the second one, the last contract, we'll see how things go. If this really picks up speed and momentum really turns on, then I might just leave this one on as a runner. We'll see how price action develops as this comes down. I also have the break even stop in here just in case things want to flip up against me. Won't be in a loser. So that'll be that. We'll see what happens on Sunday night. Okay, everybody, have a good weekend.